Welcome to this lecture series in Chemical Reaction Engineering 1. Now we'll see the best arrangement of a set of ideal reactors, and these are general rules which will give us fairly good idea about how to arrange our set of reactors for the best possible performance. For a reaction whose rate concentration curve rises monotonically, that is for n greater than 0, the reactors should be connected in series. So these are general rules. So when n greater than 0, the reactor should be connected in series. They should be ordered so as to keep the concentration of the reactant as high as possible. If the reaction rate curve is concave, that is n greater than 1, and as slow as possible when the curve is convex. So for n greater than 0, all positive rates, you will be using reactors in series. We have to keep concentration as high as possible when the curve is concave or n greater than 1, and as low as possible when the curve is convex, n less than 1. For an example, for the case of figure, we'll see this. The ordering of units should be plug flow, then small mixed flow, and then large mixed flow for n greater than 1 concave curve, and the order will be reverse for n less than 1. That means we'll place large mixed flow first, then small mixed flow, and then plug flow. We'll see this in problem solving also. For reactions where the rate concentration curve passes through a maximum or minimum, when it passes through a maximum or minimum, the arrangement of the units depend on the actual shape of the curve, conversion level desired, and the units available. No simple rules can be suggested. So in case your curve is not monotonically increasing nature, then we don't have any simple general rule. Whatever may be the kind of kinetics and the reactor system, an examination of 1 upon minus RA versus CA curve is a good way to find the best arrangement. So with practice, the examination of this curve minus 1 upon RA versus CA, you can get a good judgment how to place these reactors of different size and different types, that is mixed flow or plug flow. So those 3 points you can refer to this. This is small mixed flow is placed first, then plug flow, then large mixed flow. If you reverse the order, you will get different kind of performance. So for the time being, you remember this rule, that is rate concentration curve rises monotonically, that is n greater than 0. Then we have two possibilities, either n greater than 1 or n less than 1, and of course greater than 0. So curve is concave or convex, and we'll place the units as for n greater than 1 plug flow, then small mixed and large mixed. Order will be reversed for n less than 1. Now we'll see a different kind of reactor system, that is recycle reactor. Now this is a plug flow reactor, okay, plug flow reactor, and this is the product stream. Part of the product stream is sent back and mixed with the feed stream. Okay, this is fresh feed, this is feed entering the reactor, which is combination of fresh feed and the recycle stream. Reaction takes place in the reactor of volume V, and this is what is coming out. Flow rate, if you consider this as V final, small v final flow rate, this is split into 2, R into Vf in plus, and this side Vf. This is going as a product stream. So if you add this, this is R plus 1 into Vf. So what is coming out of the reactor is R plus 1 times Vf. 1 Vf is going this side and R into Vf coming back as a recycle stream, and this R we define as recycle ratio. So we see these notations. This K is the point where the fresh feed and the recycled feed meets. L is the point where the product stream from the reactor splits into two. This final product taken out of the system and part is recycled with recycled ratio as R. So FA0, XA0 is 0, this is V0. Entering is V1, leaving is V2. This FA0 prime, FA0 dash or prime, then FA1, XA1, V1. This splits into V final on one side and R into Vf going back. So V3 is R into Vf. This R into Vf is denoted by V3. XA final is conversion same as of this stream. Quality will be same. Only the part is recycled. Whatever is the concentration here, same is the concentration of this stream, same is the concentration of this stream. Okay. In certain situations, it is found to be advantageous to divide the product stream from the plug flow reactor and return a portion of it to the entrance of the reactor. Let this recycle ratio R, it is defined as volume of the fluid returned to the reactor entrance. This volume returned to the reactor entrance, which is R into Vf, and volume leaving the system. Volume leaving the system. So RVF divided by Vf is R as per the notations. This recycle ratio can be made to vary from 0 to infinity. Reflection suggests that you can imagine that as the recycle ratio is raised, the behavior shifts from plug flow reactor R is equal to 0 to the mixed flow reactor. Thus, recycling provides a means for obtaining various degrees of back mixing with plug flow reactor. So you can imagine here, this is plug flow reactor, no recycle, it behaves as a plug flow reactor. You start recycling it, initially recycle ratio is 0, you are not sending back anything. Then you go on increasing the recycle ratio, and in between, between 0 recycle ratio and very high recycle ratio. With very high recycle ratio, what will happen? So this is flowing in this loop very fast. That means there will be intense mixing inside. So at high recycle ratios, this plug flow reactor starts behaving as mixed flow reactor. Plug flow conditions are no longer maintained. And so, and in between the performance will be from in between plug flow and mixed flow, and that is recycle reactor. Recycle reactor is demonstrating the combination of performance of both plug flow as well as mixed flow. Now we'll develop the performance equation for the recycle reactor. Consider a recycle reactor with nomenclature as we have discussed already, shown in the figure. Across the reactor plug flow equation, if we write the plug flow reaction, V by FA0 prime. Why FA0 prime? This is actually entering the reactor, where FA0 is our feed stream. With this FA3 is mixing, recycle stream, and this is denoted as FA0 prime. So V by FA0 prime, this is the performance equation of plug flow. What is entering? XA1 or corresponding value of CA1, and what is leaving is XA2. Conversion level is XA2, and that we call as XA final or XAF. So this integral dXA by minus RA, this represents plug flow reactor equation. FA0 prime, this is very important, would be the feed rate of A if the stream entering the reactor, fresh feed plus recycle, were unconverted. So this is entering the reactor. Since FA0 prime and XA1 are not known, they are unknown quantities for us. They must be written in terms of known quantities. So we'll do this. Flow entering the reactor includes fresh feed and the recycle stream. Measuring the flow split at point L, here. Point L is flow is splitting here. When this can be written as Fa0 prime is A which would enter in an unconverted recycled stream and A entering in the fresh stream. So what is entering here? R into Fa0 recycled stream. This Fa3 or R into Fa0. You can relate it to Fa0. And fresh entering feed is Fa0. So this is R plus 1 into Fa0. So we have defined Fa0 prime, which is the stream entering the reactor. It will have some molar feed rate entering our reactor. R plus 1 Fa0, that is now Fa0 prime is equal to this RFA0 plus Fa0. This we have already defined, and this can be written as R plus 1 into bracket into Fa0. We know the definition of XA1. 1 minus Ca1 by Ca0 divided by 1 plus epsilon A Ca1 by Ca0. This is for any epsilon variable volume system. For constant volume, epsilon is equal to 0 and XA1 is simply 1 minus Ca1 by Ca0. So pressure is kept constant. The streams meeting at point K as shown in the figure may be added directly. And here you should note that the stream leaving the reactor is Fa0 into 1 minus XAF into R1. This stream which is entering the reactor here, you can see Fa0 prime. Okay, and so Ca1 is Fa1 by V1. What is Ca1? You can see Ca1, you have to add this stream and this recycled stream. So you can see this Fa0 and Fa3. Fa0 as it is, Fa3 coming from the recycle. So coming from the recycle is R Fa0 into 1 minus XAF. R Fa0 into 1 minus XAF, where XA is the conversion in the reactor. Similarly, this V1 volumetric flow rate entering the reactor is fresh feed flow rate is V0 and recycled is R into Vf. So V0 into R, Vf can be written as V0 into 1 plus epsilon A into XAF. So in the numerator you have Fa0 plus this Fa3 stream and this V0 plus this RVF, which is nothing but V3. So notations you have to note it carefully. Ca1, now I solve this Fa0 RFA0 minus RFA0 into XAF and denominator also. So Fa0, if I take common from all the terms, so I am left with 1 plus R minus RXAF, and in the denominator 1 plus R epsilon A XAF. Okay, so this Fa0 by V0 is Ca0. So Ca1 can be written as Ca0 into 1 plus R minus RXAF divided by 1 plus R into epsilon A into XAF. So XA1 is 1 minus Ca1 by Ca0 divided by 1 plus epsilon A Ca1 by Ca0. So Ca1 by Ca0 we know that is this bracket that we can write down for Ca1 by Ca0 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 1 minus Ca1 is this term and the same term in the denominator. Here multiplying factor is epsilon A. Denominators are same here. Okay. So what we will do? We'll multiply this and write the numerator and denominator terms. So here 1 multiplied by 1. So all three terms 1 plus R epsilon A XAF, and this minus 1 minus r plus r epsilon, r XAF. So 1 plus r, this minus 1 minus r cancels out, and the numerator is left with r epsilon A XAF plus r XAF. Okay. Then denominator, here also the denominator term of this denominator is same as the numerator term. So we have written it here, and you solve this. Okay. So 1 plus r epsilon A XAF term as it is, and this all terms multiplied by epsilon A with plus sign. So epsilon A, r epsilon A minus r epsilon A XAF. So plus and minus r epsilon A XAF, this term cancels out. And this is same in the denominator. So this term also cancels out. So what is left? XA1 r epsilon A XAF plus r XAF. Okay, so I can take r XAF common, and into bracket I can write the remaining terms 1 plus epsilon A. In the denominator, 1 plus r plus epsilon A plus r epsilon A. So epsilon A I am taking common, and 1 plus r in the bracket. Okay. So if I expand this, what I get here, or you can take common, multiply this epsilon A plus epsilon AR, you can collect the terms, and this 1 plus r, if I write outside, I can multiply this by 1 plus epsilon A. So it is same as 1 plus epsilon A plus r plus 1. Okay. And this 1 plus epsilon A in the numerator, 1 plus epsilon A in the denominator, that cancels out. And r by 1 plus r we have written as r by r plus 1, and into XAF is there. So we have got the relationship for XA1 now. XAF is known, XA0 is known, and this XA1 depend on r. Depending on the recycle ratio, this value will go on changing. So this unknown quantity we have determined and written in terms of known quantity now. This definition, once again, FA0 prime is r plus 1 into FA0. So V by FA0 prime we have written for this recycle reactor, XA1 to XA2, which is same as XAF, dXA by minus RA. Now this FA0 prime I replace by r plus 1 into FA0, because FA0 is known. We can find out, if r is known, you can find out FA0 prime. So FA0 prime is r plus 1 into FA0. Okay. So V by FA0 performance equation can be written as this r plus 1, we transfer on this side, r plus 1 into integral XA1. Now XA1 is known in terms of XAF, that is r by r plus 1 into XAF, to XAF dXA by minus RA, and this is valid for any value of epsilon A, for all values of epsilon. So this is the model equation for recycled reactor. What will happen for epsilon is equal to 0? CA1 is equal to CA0 into this definition. Epsilon A is 1, so this cancels out, this becomes 0. So this by 1 plus r. This is multiplied by CA0 in the numerator. So CA0 into r CA0 is taken outside, into 1 minus XAF divided by 1 plus r. And this CA0, r, CA0 into 1 minus XAF. What is that? Same definition, CA is equal to CA0 into 1 minus XA. So CAF is CA0 into 1 minus XAF. So CA0 plus RCAF divided by R plus 1. So we can write our integration or the model equation in terms of concentration. We know tau is equal to VCA0 by FA0, and this can be written as minus DCA by minus RA. This R plus 1 term is there already. Okay. What we are doing here? this dxa by minus ra replaced by minus dca by minus ra term. So this minus sign is here, r plus 1 is from there, and then we have to replace these terms, integration. Okay, so this was xa1 to xaf, xa1 to xaf. xa1 is written in terms of r by r plus 1 into xaf. So this we will write now in terms of ca1 to caf, and ca1 definition is now ca0 plus rcaf by r plus 1. So for epsilon is equal to 0 in terms of concentration, we can write this equation for easy interpretations. Okay, now we'll see these two graphical representations. So for any value of epsilon, analysis in terms of conversions is preferred, and for epsilon is equal to in terms of concentrations we'll write. So this v by fa0 is r plus 1 integral r by r plus 1 xaf to xaf dxa by minus ra. Here tau is equal to v ca0 by fa0. So we can find out v by fa0 here, tau by ca0, minus r plus 1, r is recycle ratio. Lower limit is ca0 plus rcaf by r plus 1, and this is caf dca by minus ra. This is for epsilon equal to 0. Now these two representations you can see here, 1 upon minus ra integral y dx, y is 1 upon minus ra, this is plotted on y axis. Here xa is the variable, so xa we write, and from we can start the complete system is 0 to xaf, and this r by r plus 1 xaf, this represents our point lower limit of this equation, okay, which is based on xaf, where r is the recycle ratio. So this is the point representing this. Okay, so here you can see area is v by fa0. Now this complete thing, if you see, this is r, our recycle ratio, and this is 1 r plus 1. So this r plus 1 means this side of the equation integral is nothing but r into dxa by minus ra, and simply dxa by minus ra. So r into dxa by minus ra represented here, and this dxa by minus ra, this area under the curve. Similarly here, so you this average height is a tricky thing, you don't get into this. You count actual number of rectangles you get on your graph, as we have done earlier. And here area under the curve will give you directly tau. ca0 to caf, this is xaf to 0 or 0 to xaf. Now ca0 to ca final, here xa is increasing in this direction, so r and 1. So here it is decreasing, exactly reverse thing. So 1 plus r. So this side represents dca by minus ra integral. Okay, and this r into that particular thing. So 1 plus r. So total this ca0 minus caf, r plus 1, and this is r, this is 1. So these two representations you keep in mind. The things will be more clear to you when we'll solve the numerical problems on recycle reactor. So what you have to remember now, this gives you v by fa0, this area gives you tau, this is for epsilon is equal to 0 constant density, this is for variable density system. Variation is 0 to xaf, in between you have this term r xaf by r plus 1. Here in between you have this term ca0 plus rcaf by r plus 1. Okay, and this split here, okay, from 0 to this and Rxaf to this, R and 1 total is R plus 1. And what this represents? This complete area represents, and the performance is combination of plug flow and mixed flow. When R is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 means this is 0. Okay, so this will be 1. So this will shift here. Okay, R is 0, no recycle. So integral 0 to XAF. So simply area under the curve, plug flow reactor performance. Another extreme, this R is very high. Okay, so this 1 is negligible as compared to this. So this is complete R. In that case, the performance will be that of mixed flow reactor. So integral sign will go, and this is R plus 1 is completely R now, and area of the rectangle, this rectangle will give you the mixed flow reactor performance. These are two extremes. R is equal to infinity, plug flow, mixed flow, and R is equal to 0, it is plug flow. And we are having in between some value of R, so it will be combination of two. So this we will see in problem solving, and there the concept will be more clear to you. Now here you can see the same thing, large recycle and small recycle representations written here. This is representing small recycle, this is representing large recycle. General equation is V by Fa0 R plus 1 dxa by minus Ra. This is xa1, that is R by R plus 1 into xaf, and this is xa. When R is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, so this is 1 into this. So simply this R is equal to 0 means 0. So integral 0 to xaf dxa by minus Ra. This is same as plug flow. So for small recycle, it is plug flow. So R can tend to 0. So if R is 0, so this complete area under the curve will represent V by Fa0. Okay. Small recycle, and this recycle not representing R is equal to 0, but small recycle, and this R you can go on increasing. For large recycle here, okay, large value of recycle, some fraction is still taken out. No, it is not infinity or complete recycle. Large value of R. So this is the representation. And when this value is large, R tending to infinity, you have V by Fa0, and this is simply integral sign will go. dxa and Raf means minus Ra evaluated at exit. So mixed flow reactor performance. So area of the rectangle you have to consider in that case. And we have performance some appreciable value of R, which is midway. It is not very nearing 0, it is not negligible, and it is not nearing infinity, or it is not very high. So in that case, on one extreme R is equal to 0, we have plug flow. In one extreme we have R tending to infinity, complete mixed flow performance. Same models will be applicable, but our recycle reactor is operating at some reasonable value of R, where its performance will be combination of mixed flow and plug flow reactor. Integration of the recycle equation. Now we'll see for epsilon equal to 0 and first order reaction. So this is our model. So we are writing in terms of concentrations. dCA minus Ra is kCa. Okay, for epsilon A is equal to 0. So this k into tau, k tau will write on this side. This minus sign I will make plus and reverse the order of integration. So plus R plus 1 dCA by CA integral is ln of CA, and here we are reversing the order, CAF to CA0 plus RCAF by R. And this R plus 1 we are transferring on this side, so K tau by R plus 1, all are constant values, is equal to ln of CA upper limit, this will substitute, minus CAF, so ln of upper limit minus ln of lower limit. So this we can write as CAF in the denominator. So ln of CA0 plus RCAF divided by R plus 1 into CAF. K tau by R plus 1 is equal to. So first order epsilon A equal to 0 constant density system for recycle reactor. This is our result, final integrated form. This is the comparison of the performance of recycle and plug flow for first order reactions. So for first order reactions, this K tau product representing the first order. For second order, it will be KCA0 tau. So these values are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20 and so on for these values, and actually it is a plot of C by CA0, or you can say CA by CA0 divided by tau recycle by tau plug flow, or volume of recycle by volume of plug flow. So you can see here these lines plotted for different values of R. R is equal to 0, this coincides with the x-axis, R is equal to 0. So complete plug flow reactor. R is equal to 0.5, 0.2, 5, 10, and as you go on increasing this performance goes towards mixed flow reactor. So for R is equal to 0, what you will get? This value is 1. This is logarithmic scale. This value is 1, not 0. So R is equal to 0 represents tau R is equal to tau P. That means recycle reactor is completely giving the performance same as that of plug flow. And R tending to infinity at very high values, it is towards mixed flow. These plots you can take arbitrary values and draw this in Excel sheet. Second order, when epsilon A is equal to 0, same equation, only difference is minus RA is replaced by KCA square. Okay, so K tau written on this side, order of integration is reversed, so plus sign, and what you get, CA square dCA by CA square integral minus 1 upon CA. So this is well known. So order of integration is reversed. So 1 upon CAF minus R plus 1 CA0 plus RCAF. This is written. So what is the integration of this? CA raised to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 upon CA. Okay. So that minus sign is there. So this becomes minus minus plus, and same order of integration you can keep, or if you change the order of integration, you have to remember this one extra minus sign coming here because of integration minus 1 upon CA. So any minus sign you use for making this plus. So 1 upon CAF, here what we have done, we have retained the order of integration, and this minus 1 upon CA, this minus sign made this plus. So 1 upon upper limit, 1 upon lower limit, this we have written. So 1 upon CAF, and this in place of CA, that is in the denominator. So CA0 plus RCAF, and this will go in the numerator. You can solve this. Okay. What you get here, CA0 plus RCAF minus RCAF minus CAF. So this RCAF cancel out. In the numerator we are left with CA0 minus CAF term, and in the denominator this term is there, CAF into CA0 plus RCAF. So this r plus 1 transferred on this side. K tau by r plus 1 is simply Ca0 minus CAF, CAF into Ca0 minus CAF. Okay. If you multiply this, we use KCA0 tau to represent the dimensionless term, which is known as Damkohler number. We'll see that later. K tau for first order, KCA0 tau for second order. So I will write in this form. So I multiply by CA0 to both the sides. So KCA0 tau by R plus 1, we get as CA0 into CA0 minus CA. So 1 CA0 multiplied in the numerator. So this is the final integrated form in terms of KCA0 tau. And now this KCA0 tau 1 to 500. These lines are representing this. Okay. So this is again log scale, and this is 1. R is equal to 0. So the tau r by tau p is 1, means recycle reactor giving the performance of plug flow, and as you increase this number, it will be more towards mixed flow, and when this number is very high, this will give you the performance of the mixed flow reactor. In our next lecture, we will study autocatalytic reaction. Today we will stop here, and we have completed the topic, the model for recycle reactor, and we'll move to autocatalytic reactions in our next lecture.